गोय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान 8 ते 10 फेब्रुवारी मजगती दुसरी IESSG परिषद जातली। 3 दिसाची ही परिषद बांबोळे डॉ. श्यामाप्रसाद स्टेडियमान जातली। आलेख सिक्वेरान पत्रकार परिषदेन माहिती दिल्या। बांबोळे गोय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान आंतरराष्ट्रीय IESSG ची दुसरी आवृत्ती घडून हाडल्या। या वर्षाच्या शिखर परिषदेन टिकाऊ फुडारा खातीर वर्तमानाची रचना करप, कृती खातीर वचनबद्धताय हे विषय आसतले। 3 दिसांचे शिखर परिषदेन प्रदर्शनावरवी टिकाऊपणाचे उपाय सादर करपाक एक मंच तयार जातलो। डॉ. श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमान ही परिषद जातली।
That is the second summit, that Environmental Sustainability Summit 2024. We had it last year as well. This year's the theme is structuring the present for the sustainable future, our commitments to actions. In this particular exhibition the summit, we will be having a conference. We will also be having exhibition wherein the various companies or industries are going to showcase their best practices as well as their techniques and technologies for waste management, air, as well as for noise monitoring of water quality. So you will be having it's a complex platform, so you will be having people engaged to show their knowledge, as well as we'll be having this conference for knowledge building between both the industries as well as the people of Goa.
The main idea behind this was a pollution control board is supposed to be a regulatory authority in a legal point, but however we wanted to become a facilitator. There is also a mandate to educate, to impart knowledge of environment. So while doing regulation, we also realized that there is a gap of knowledge. Industry, big or small, do not get that apt knowledge, apt equipment and apt services. So with that backdrop in mind, we thought of first such summit last year. We had good response. Probably many of you must have attended.
As our chairman has said, the future today lies in the hands of startups, and that is why we have given focus and importance to startup units also. Besides that, we recognize the fact that students of today are leaders of tomorrow, and therefore we have encouraged them to participate in this summit also. With, as I said at the outset, keeping in mind our endeavor to make structuring the present for a sustainable future.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गावकार आणि संगीता ओली।